Hey y'all, what's up? So remember we took this apart? Yeah, but my phone died, so I didn't get the rest of it. I didn't put it back together yet. I can show y'all what it looks like. So it works fine. Here's a put back together. Turned it on and everything. It's good. It's brand new. Feels brand new. Got it up and running and everything. Connect it real quick. Give me a second. Alright, so see you quick. Alright, got this baby up. Alright, let's check it out. Go to YouTube, check him out real quick. So I'm just gonna show you how to put it back together. I did the video where how to take it apart and replace the screen and everything, but since my phone turned off, I wasn't able to finish it. So I guess this is the finish. I would recommend turning the phone off when you do it. You don't have to, but you can. This won't hold. Alright, there. Basically that's it. Pretty much got everything in there. Looks perfectly fine. You can't turn the phone off if you want, but technically I'm gonna reset this, so it won't even matter. It won't even matter. But so I'm gonna unplug it real quick. I'm gonna unplug it so it dies. I wouldn't care. So there we go. Just put it back together real quick. Back step from step. Alright. So I never took this off, so I kept it on. So I'll just show y'all how to put this in real quick. So take this off. Show y'all close the eye. So you want to get this. This one is actually a bit different from the one I was doing a while back. So the problem is the tape is holding it up. So what do you want to do is you wanna slide this in here. So you wanna slide this in here, cause there's like a slot under there where you'll slide this in there. And just in there. It'll sit down fine. But first you need to get it in there. And just in there, it'll just sit down just like that. And I'll put the screws, put the screws that were in there back in there. I'm trying to get my magnet. I did have a magnet, alright. Basically, this is my second video. I never knew I could zoom. So I got some magnet on this. Get that in there. Close that baby back up. Grab another one. You got that in. First part done. Next step. this in. Get scratched, so from that, perfectly fine. Just make sure this is in there perfectly, so you don't mix up your turn on and off button. But so just want to slide this carefully on. Slide this carefully on. Should hear clicks. That means they're in. Once you put the screws on, there should be some clicks too. Let's put everything back